So how to fix a Samsung S Pen this kind of problem? You see, it's auto sketch or auto draw with my skin. If I using the S Pen, the same problem is happening. So how to recover it? So first of all, you need to go to your setting, then go to your general management, then you can see the reset option. So you have to reset all your setting. So press on reset all setting and press on reset again, then your Samsung Galaxy will be restart. Wait a couple of seconds and check your problem solved or not. I check my problem is still in. So go to the second option, go to the setting option again, go to advanced feature, then press on S Pen. If it's disconnect, try to connect it again. I am reconnect my pen again and reset the setting as well, top right corner, then reset S Pen and it's resetting, and once done, then use check this problem is still in, then you have to reboot. Power button volume down, and once your display gone, power button volume up, then you can see this kind of interface. You have to select factory reset, then you see my problem is gone. So this is how you can easily recover or fix your S Pen. Hope video helpful. Thank you for watching.